guest at the after party. Drink beers and have a blast with Dana Carvey. Maybe get some coffee with Sherry or Terry on Saturday Night Live. So I'm gonna go and pout with Girl Off Low, because the ratings were low and the writing was slow. I'm gonna throw a couch at Anthony Michael Hall. Remember when he was on the show? Like Ronnie Reagan, son Ronald Reagan, or Penny Marshall. She would play soccer in the hall while wearing a shawl. Oh yeah, I wanna get in a fight with Harry Shearer. Turn the cameras on, it's getting near. It's 11:30, where the hell's Memory? Live from New York, it's Saturday night. I wanna get insulted by Chevy Chase, acting a skit with a person of a different race. I'm looking at you, Eddie. Actually, are there any Asians around here? No? Getting high in the writer's room with Robert Swine. Do a skit about abortion with old Ben Stein and Dennis Miller. So if you think it's killer, well, he's even got his own show on Fox. But if we're being honest, like Sinead O'Connor, I think the show seems to lean a little bit to the left. Oh, did you hear about the time Al Franken sang Hey Jude to the guy who wrote Penny Lane? Did you go out on a date with Adam Sandler? Stay up all Tuesday night with Anthony Michael Hall. Well, I could yell as loud as Garrett Morris, make fun of Gina Mannion in the second chorus. Well, I could weather the lows if the hosts were assholes. I wouldn't care, cause I was on the air. It's Saturday night, live from New York. It's Saturday night, live from New York, live from New York, live from New York. It's Saturday night, live from New York. It's Saturday night, live from New York,
More
live from New York, live from New York.
It's a Saturday Night Live. Labba-da-dee-bab-goulet.